Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how to log in NewDay Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in NewDay Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this link, click on it. Now you need your username and your password to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register and create a new account. Now to log in, type in your username. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your username, you can click on forgotten username and recover your username. And if you have forgot your password, you can click on forgotten password and reset your password. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in NewDay Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.